sit back just a little of Bob Morris and let him wear out the Commodore. We'll wait and see. Here's Alan Moffat, an outside run. Coming down the dipper. There's Morris going through after dispensing with the slower car. Moffat goes through, and followed by Alexander, who would be a lap down on them. Conrod straight comes up again. Bobby Morris. With a few cars still to pass, heads down the straight. There's Alan Moffat right behind.
BMW back in the pit. Obviously still a miss after the dirty fuel problem. Meantime, almost unnoticed, Alan Grice in car 6, the STP Commodore, has opened up a lead of 20.9 seconds now over Warren Cullen. Bobby Morris in 3rd spot. Alan Moffat is 4th. And what now his claims earlier that he wasn't in the race, that he was outgunned.